Now we'll look at an example where we want to look up basically multiple columns. So here we always looked at one column in these two examples. But let's say we want to return the multiple columns like this. We want the product code, the product name, category, subcategory, and sales. So if we want to return multiple columns like this, we have to write the function in a certain way. So we look at how the function needs to be written. So we go with the standard VLOOKUP function first. And for the lookup value, I will give product code from here. And the table array will be this range. Data. So I have named this range data, so that's why it appears as data there. Then for the column index, so I want multiple columns. So I just don't need maybe the sales column, only one column. I need multiple columns. So I want the product code, product name, category, and subcategory. So what I need to do now is I need to specify the column numbers that I want to return. So there's column number 1 I need for product code, 2 for product name, 3 for category, and 4 for subcategory, and 5 for sales. I need 5 return values for the column index. So how I can write the function is I can insert a curly bracket here like this. I insert a curly bracket and then I give the column numbers that I want separated by a comma like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I close the curly bracket. And here I need a exact match. So I will use exact match, false, and press enter. So I see now all of the values have been returned. So IP02, IP002, product name is Holodesk, electronics category, subcategory, and the sales value. So it's basically taken this column of data and returned it. So here in this example, I use the same columns sequence to return the values. But let's say I want only the product name, category, and the sales column. So I can change the function equals VLOOKUP, and the lookup value is from this cell, and table array, I will use the table reference name data. For the column index, I will start with a curly bracket. So I need product name, which is column number 2. And then I need category, that is column number 3. And finally, I need the sales, which is column number 5. After that, I close the curly bracket. And again, I go for exact match and enter. So I got the values for the product, category, and sales value only. So I can get like that. And also I can change the sequence as well. Now here product comes first, then category and sales. But if I want product and then sales first and then category later, like sales was always the last column, but category was before that, I can still change the sequence using the curly bracket. So I can type equals VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this. Table arrays data. And column index, I need second column, product name, and then I need sales, that is column number 5, and I need category. So category is column number 3. So I can close the curly bracket, comma, false, exact match, and enter. So I got now Holodesk, sales, and then electronics in the sequence that I want.
Now, if you like this video, why not subscribe to support us and get notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to check out our top-selling CPD certified Excel courses and our awesome Excel training app. Our innovative Excel training app allows you to take our Excel courses inside your Excel application itself, giving you a truly immersive learning experience. Are you looking for a better and smart way to learn Excel? Then you need to check out our innovative new Excel learning app. Our app delivers Excel training courses directly inside your Excel application itself for a truly immersive and novel learning experience. With our app, there is no need to watch tutorials outside the Excel application, download Excel files, and then come into Excel to practice. All lecture videos, practice files, and other resources are accessible from inside your Excel application. The app will provide you with a unique and immersive learning experience with minimum distractions and hassle. You can watch streaming video tutorials directly inside the Excel application. The video screen can be resized as required by dragging the app pane or by using picture-in-picture mode to watch while you practice. Excel practice files can be loaded directly onto your Excel application using the Load button. With the app, there is no need to download files separately and open in Excel manually, as with other training solutions. Once you have finished practicing on a file, you can clear the loaded file with the Clear button and load another file to practice as required. A download button is available if you want to download files for later use. Additional learning resources such as quizzes, practice tests, assignments, and coding exercises are all accessible from inside Excel through the app as well. Our app will provide you with a unique and immersive learning experience with minimum distractions and hassle. The app is compatible with all of these Excel versions. Our app is provided free of charge to all who purchase Excel courses on our course marketplace. You can use the app or learn on our site as well. To get the app, you need to first sign up and purchase an Excel course from our site. Installing the app onto your Excel application is very easy and straightforward. First, you need to open up your Excel application and go to Add-ins on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then just click on Add-ins and search for Aethenos in the search bar. Then select Aethenos for Excel and click on Add. Once you add our app to your Excel application, it will appear on your ribbon. You can log into the app using the same credentials you used on our site for your course purchase. Once logged in, you can access all your courses from inside the Excel application. So go ahead and buy a course and try it on our app. We can guarantee it will be the best Excel learning experience you can have.